It is 10:30 EST on February 24th. And here's the magic of the puzzle. It never gets old. Stunning, gorgeous, marvelous symmetry in the markets continue playing out. This is a dance on S&P we witnessed this morning. I warned you. Don't touch S&P. Worthless fluff. We allowed S&P collapse and we look to buy. And that's what we've done on S&P. Currently, long on S&P from 2106, stuck completely at 2111.50. Stop outside of break-even. Expect selling pressure. Don't be surprised if S&P will collapse all the way back down to 2103.50. I don't know if it's going to be 2-tick pullback or if it's going to be 50-tick pullback. I just know to respect and adore the price and to never disrespect crucial Fibonacci levels. Every single support and resistance in the market is not random. It is precise, pure and clear. And here is the trade on oil. At reversal zone, I warned you. This is my non-time based chart. Long on oil from 49.66. You had also opportunity to re-enter, as I warned you, upon retracement at even better level at 49.60. Price is magic if you play by the rules. Pullback on oil completely expected. Reversal zone is in on my trade chart. Why did we not buy oil this morning? Because long on oil found selling pressure not far off from the end of the minor trend. That's simple. Where did S&P struggle last week, entire week? Pull up my blog and pull out S&P FOMC video. The end of the minor trend. Don't ever disrespect it. It's always present. And this is the end of the major trend. Worthless fluff. Corrective nonsense. Bad idea to short. And here is S&P stuck on hourly reversal zone. And oil stuck on non-time based chart. Formula remains the same. Don't matter what you trade. So don't forget, tomorrow is Oil News Day. We gotta learn if this bullish correction mean anything. Most crucial next few days on oil since 2011. Levels untouched. Monthly chart. Price spelled out in 2011. Short from 106. At reversal zone. If buyers will not pick up the steam until 53, oil collapsing with vengeance. 42, 40, and that's what we're the most interested in. And that would be very, very exciting. Most crucial few days on oil since 2011. So can oil pick up the steam and blast through my reversal levels? Can this bullish rally, exact same formulas that I use on non-time based chart, exact same formula I use on monthly oil, exact same formula I use on S&P hourly, can this bullish rally pick up the steam and blast through? If it blasting through 50.13, my trade migrates into hourly chart. Next level 50.64. After that 51.29 and further up. But one step at a time. Do not ever disrespect Fibonacci levels. Adore them. Respect them as your precise targets. Play by the rules. And the sky's the limit. Test never ever ever ends. But if you learn Alpha Wave Trader method, all you have to do is identify what instrument and what time frame appropriate for you and your account size. No need to make trading complicated. Only you know what's appropriate for you. Is it stocks monthly? Is it Forex daily? Or is it S&P 1 minute chart? That's all that matters. And that is absolutely essential and crucial to recognize. Price is taking massive pause. Oil reached 50.13 by a tick and stuck. Exact same thing as S&P. How predictable is price? Magic happens if you're a trend trader. Magic happens if you respect Fibonacci levels. Dance on S&P is on. Right here in front of you. Exact same thing S&P had done on monthly. Finding buyers in October with a VIX of 30. We were in the room. Those who know what bearish correction means watched and finally exhaled, reminding you, monthly buy on S&P, confirmed and done and finished. 20 minutes later, oil continued trying to break through 50.13 and unable to do so. My trail is right outside of this level. We were hoping oil will blast through reversal zone. Nevertheless, that's not a bad trade, is it? 35 to 40 ticks, depending on your precise point of entry. S&P, not a bad gig either. Buy from 2106, my stop well outside of break-even. Exact same formula. Reversal zone on S&P hourly versus reversal zone on chart that has no time attached to it on oil. Respect it. Both cannot break through. Reminding you, each and every target on your trade must be precise, clear, and beautifully defined. And that's what works in trading. Clear? Gold daily. Buy first week in November came to reversal zone as I spelled out and posted everywhere on social media. 1300 will be key level to the upside. Again, as we're witnessing clearly, gold annual heading into oblivion. But this is gold daily. This is oil yearly, taking a massive pause. The most important week on oil since 2011. And again, if oil blasting through 65 to the upside, we're gonna see a bullish rally that will last at least a year or few. Clear? But first step is first. This level first must be broken, 55. And that's the dance we've been witnessing on oil. Gold yearly heading into oblivion. 745 will be the end of the minor trend. At 745 we're going to see quite a bullish rally, which I expect to be very temporary. But this is where you have to monitor for the rules. Remember the level where we witnessed the collapse on oil hourly? Is exact same level where gold is heading to. We're finally out of trade on oil. As expected, respect reversal zone. That's why I named this Fibonacci level, reversal zone. So we're still in a trade on S&P. Let's take a look where S&P is. S&P completely stuck with poor 2-point pullback. Still in that trade. Stop 2108. So the request I have from Pierre to take a look at what is that a major stock? If it's not a major stock, I don't have a data. If it's a major stock, I will. IWM. IWM. I don't have ETFs. This is what I have. Future currency index stock major. So here's the description. IWM. Let's see if I have it. I don't have it. If there is something close to IWM, I will pull it up. Again, I developed my method on Russell. We got rid of Russell because the volume is vanished. And it took me years to say goodbye to Russell. As I developed my method on Russell, and Russell, my favorite instrument, until the ICE exchange was sold. Nowadays, you have to pay a lot of extra money to pay and trade Russell. Good for you. So most brokers don't have Russell unless you pay a lot of extra fees. Clear? So let's update our results. We just took another trade on oil, correct? Clear? That was trade number 44, which would make, live on oil, correct? 38. Oil made it to reversal zone and was not able to blast through reversal zone 3, stuck at that level. And here's our adorable trade on S&P. Trade number 25, 23 trades positive. Clear? Currently, we're at target 2. Let's see what will happen with target 3. Long on S&P at very crucial reversal level right here, right now, 21.14. Pretty please respect that as your target. Clear? Again, your trail is right outside 21.12. Why? Because this is reversal zone 1 on this chart. On hourly chart, we're already at reversal zone, which means price will start becoming very unpredictable. Clear? Long from 21.06. Magic happens if you play by the rules. Clear. Sellers are here on S&P. 1 point pullback already. Again, it can be 10 point pullback. Respect the levels. Two things will happen, either bearish correction or bearish reversal. So since we've been sitting in this trade on S&P and price stuck at reversal zone, what do we know to do to monitor for short? What else do we know? We also know that major trend is bullish. And we know shorting S&P right now is pretty darn aggressive. So this long trade remains intact with trail right outside of reversal zone 8 points later. But this is a short trade. Why not? For the fun of the levels. Watch the price. This is the end of the minor bearish trend. The pause, the expected, exact same level that oil struggling against to the upside. S&P finding buyers. Anybody surprised? No, because we knew. Most than likely it's going to be pretty shallow pullback. Reminding you, S&P adores decision point 2, very small chart, hourly chart and monthly chart. The same exact formula. Same thing S&P had done in October. S&P just done this a second ago. Again, our prerogative, we remain long. We know major trend is bullish. I just was bored out of my mind showing you the levels and showing you how crucial decision point 2 is. Clear? Trail right outside of reversal zone remains untouched. Ladies and gentlemen, we are out of S&P. 8 points later, S&P just hit our trail. We are out. Clear? Reversal zone 1 was not breached to the upside, I warn you. Monitor for the fill at 21.14. Right now, it's getting pretty interesting what S&P is telling us. Shifting my focus on S&P and oil currently. We love the fact that S&P just reminded us how crucial it is to respect the reversal zone. Is everybody clear? I beg of you, my beautiful students. How marvelous is price and how crucial is the reminder. Do not ever get tempted to buy anywhere inside this level. Is everybody clear? And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. And here's the trade currently at reversal zone. So currently we know exactly what price is telling us. And that was instant collapse. And that's what happens if you're respecting a reversal zone. Love you to pieces. See you tomorrow.